Hello friends, today I will show you how to show the current date with PHP. So let's start. So I'm just open the editor and open the previous PHP file. I'm using the WARM server. So first of all, I am assign the variable like date, then date method, then you can add the date and month and year, then you can just echo date variable. Alright, now if you reload, then showing the date, today's date. Alright, if you want to change the formatting, then you can just add the month, then month. If you change the format full year, then show the full year. So that's it. So thank you for the watching. If you have any query, you can just comment on the comment box. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.